So what's up guys? Welcome sa mini vlog natin. And for today's mini vlog ay sasagot ako ng mga katanungan nyo from previous vlog natin. And I already gathered here like 5 to 6 questions. So let's proceed na kaagad sa first question. So sabi niya dito, from user 9622. Kuya John, ano po yung full name nyo? Anong strand, school at section ka po? And yun lang. Yun lang. Yes, yun lang. So my name is John Heniel Q Corvera. Q for Kiso. And STEM from Regional Science High School for Region 9. And I'm grade 11. So let's proceed sa second question. Kuya, ano yung achievement na proud ka talaga? So, um, one of my achievement is that I was able to run 21 kilometers straight even though I have asthma. So actually, back in elementary and my high school days, junior high school, yun, I'm a boy who always got sick and my asthma would often attack me, and there were many times when physical activities felt impossible. So because of that, running long distances was something I never imagined I could do. But this year, I proved to myself that my condition does not define my limits. Finishing a 21-kilometer run without harming my body is a huge achievement for me. It taught me that with discipline, patience, and belief in myself, I can overcome challenges that to once seemed impossible. So, ito, picture ko nung tumatakbo ako. Ito pa. Ta! Yun. So, let's proceed sa ikatatlong tanong. Dito. Kuya, sino yung mga sumuporta sa'yo sa achievement mo na yun? Or sa mga nagawa mo? Okay, so I would not have achieved this without my parents and my friends. My parents guided me, supported me, and always reminded me to take care of my health while chasing my goals. My friends motivated me when I felt tired or doubtful, and they believed in me when I questioned myself. Their support gave me strength to continue, especially during the times and moments when giving up felt easier. So, may tanong pa. Sabi niya dito, Kuya, ano yung ginagawa mo sa strand nyo? And may mga experiment ka na ba na nagawa? So, as a STEM student, actually this year, it helped me to think more critically and scientifically. So, the subject I enjoyed the most was science. Actually, science, yun. Especially when the lessons are about fish and genetics. Last year kasi, I conducted a simple experiment with my fish. I wanted to know to what makes them grow bigger and more fancy, yun. Placing them in a bigger aquarium and doing some power feeding, or by simply giving them a lot of food. Through this experiment, I learned how observation and comparison are important in science, and kung paano talaga nagmamatter yung size and yung times na pagpakain mo sa fish mo. Sorry. This experience helped me understand how scientists ask questions, test ideas, and learn from results. So, last question. Ay, by the way, yung fish ko, safe yun siya, ha? And nanalo ako sa previous competition dahil sa kanya. Last question. Kuya, ano yung message mo para sa future self mo? So, to my future self, I want to remind you to be more confident when speaking. Do not be afraid to ask questions or seek advice from those who are more experienced. More experience, yun. So actually, di ba, growth comes from listening and learning and being open for improvements. So, that's all for our mini vlog. For that's all for our mini vlog. Thank you for watching and see you sa susunod na video natin. Bye. Bye.